Okay, I am going to play Asteroids, which is the old arcade game that I chose. And yeah, I'll just play it and talk about the points that I'm supposed to. So, graphics wise, straight off the bat, to me, the graphics are bad. And that's probably because I'm used to the games nowadays that are more than just black and white and don't have to be 2D and are more detailed than this. It is a classic arcade game for it to be black and white though, because I understand like at the time when this came out, these were it was cheaper, so it was easier to mass produce. And also I feel like the games at that time period, they were more important to have fun rather than the game to look pretty. And now there's a lot more based on aesthetics or like music. Okay, now away from graphics, as for like the characters, there's only one character in this game, and I feel like it's your little spaceship here. I am sure there's Asteroids lore somewhere, but I don't know it. So as of right now, I'm just a spaceship shooting asteroids in space for no reason. I am not sure if this is a game that has aliens, but if this is, I guess that would be another character. So then I'm a spaceship shooting aliens and asteroids. And I'm just including asteroids as a character too, because obviously the game's named Asteroids, and that's all I'm doing is I'm dodging and shooting asteroids. For the scenario, well, I've already said it, but I am shooting asteroids. Again, I don't know if there's any lore, but maybe I would assume there's like something to save something, since because of the, general I died. The general human versus alien trope. And shoot aliens because they're bad? Yep. Basically the scenario. As for scoring, all I've seen so far is I get points for shooting asteroids. In the other game where there is aliens, I assume the aliens are more points. That makes sense to me. It's probably harder to kill them and all that stuff. Yikes. Also for the scenario, every single time I clear a level, more asteroids spawn, which is way harder. Is that game over? Yep. And it gets crazier and they go faster. As for reaction, I personally like Asteroids because, like I said, it's clearly a classic arcade game that made games what they are today, like what they are. Like, what exactly is fun? To me, the best kind of game is the one that's the most basic, that you don't need as many controls or stuff to look like, yet still be entertained for hours. But I also, nowadays, would personally not spend any money on this to play an arcade unless I was feeling nostalgic. Because I just would rather play different games now that are more action-packed, like Siege or PUBG, which will take more skill and the controls are more complex and harder. It's more challenging. Now games are more challenging, and to me that's entertaining. So connections with recent games. When I think of Asteroids, there was a game made in 2005 that was really popular called Geometry Wars, which you are basically a little ship shooting, and you're shooting geometric shapes, and there's like lights everywhere, and you have to dodge different lights, and it gets crazy. It's really colorful, which even that is a step up from this Asteroids, because it's colorful, and color makes games more fun to me. And the other is Avoider, that was made in 2016, where you are a little triangle dodging other triangles. So it's the same to Asteroids in that you are dodging an enemy. All of that, I personally really like Asteroids because, like, I even remade the game myself, and the mechanics, being able to go through the walls and shooting asteroids and making each level is getting consecutively harder, and like in the original game, the music speeding up, I enjoy the game. but I would personally never buy it ever again.